Hello everyone, and welcome to the third part of Flutter application development. And in this tutorial I will create a simple list of English words. These are the random English words which I will use third party SDK or library, and then I will show you how to generate a random words. Okay, so first of all let's create an application with the name of new project, and the application name will be random words. Okay, random words. Okay, so I will create it on the desktop. Okay, this is actually a list view, and this list view is this list view contains a text view and a divider. So we will create this random list in Flutter. Okay, once the application is built, we will start development. Okay, for the random words, first of all go to this file, which is pubspec.yml, and add the dependency. We have a dependency for the random English words are English words 3.1.0, and save the file. Now it will import the library, so wait for it. And okay, so exit code 0, and the Flutter has successfully imported the library. So first of all, remove this code and import the material. Okay, import material. Okay, now first of all import the library, which is a material dot, and again we have another library for English words, which is this one. And now create a void main, the main function, with the lambda function, and call a method run app. And we have another method, another class which is my app, and my app is a stateless widget, which is this one, my app. In my app we have build function, the build widget, which returns a material app, and inside this material application material app we have a theme, which is theme data, and we have a primary swatch. The primary color of the application is green, and we have another property, which is debug show checked mode banner, which is false. And the title of this application is random words, and the home is as we do not have this random class, so we will create this stateful widget stf. Select the second option and name it as random words. Okay, um, in this class, the random state word state, let's create an array which is final suggestions. Actually, these are the suggestions of English words. Suggestions with the type of let's say word pair. Okay, after creating this array, okay, now in this build method, return scaffold. Okay, in the scaffold we have an app bar, and this app bar, we have a title of the app bar which is a text, and this text is going to be random words. And again we have a body, and the body contains, if you see, this is the body of the application, and you see the list view. So we will also write list view dot builder, and inside this list view we have item builder, and inside this item builder we have a context and index. Okay, so we have a condition. Let's say if I dot is odd, then if I dot is odd, then return divider. Divider is actually the line break between these two items. Else suggestions dot add all, and we will say that word pairs, generating words pair dot take 10. Okay, now return list style. As this is a list style, this is the title, the whole part is the list style which contains a title. So list style, and this contains a title. Title is a text view. This is the text, and we have a text, for example suggestions, which is an array. Suggestions of I means index dot as Pascal case. As Pascal case means these are the two words, and you can see that the first letter of the word is capital, and after this is the capital letter as well. So as Pascal case. Okay, and again we have a style of the text is text style, and the font size, we also need to set the font size to 18. And okay, so if I run the application, it will show the list view like this one, and it will generate 1,000 of English random words in the pair of English words. And you can see that this is a pair of words, for example fork rent, fresh patch, and these are the two words. So it will generate 1,000 of English words and put it into the list view. Okay, so what is going on here? I have imported the material dart library, and then I have imported the English words library, and I have started with the main function. This main function is start with the my class, my app class, and my app class is a stateless widget. Okay, this stateless widget has a material app, which is a widget, and the material app theme is theme data, and the primary color of the application is green. I have removed this debug banner to false, and the title of this application is random words. And now this is the home, this is the home attribute, and this is the class, which is a stateful widget, and this stateful widget contains a random word state class, which is a state of the stateful widget, and we have created the suggestions array of type word pair, which is imported from this library. And you can see that this is the application. Okay, so this is these are the two words, shark count, and this is the divider. Okay, and this is the condition. If I dot is odd, means if 0, then 0 is even, and if this is at the position of 0, now 1, this is the 1, so this is the divider, and this is again the divider. So if the condition is I dot is odd, then return divider, and suggestion dot add generate word pairs. And this is the list style, which is this one, the whole part, and we have a title, which is a title of this, and we have a text, which is this one, suggestion dot I dot has Pascal case, and the style of this text is we have set a font size in the text style.